Say you want to say hi? Say YouTube doesn't really get to see you unless you're in my vlogs. Say hi. You look like mommy now. Oh, she loved to grab mama's hair. She loved to grab it. Y'all want to see her curls? See them curls? Show off them curls, girl. You want to show off them girls. You want to show off them girls. Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I've been wanting to review these products for you guys for a minute now. It is the African Pride Moisture Miracle line, and I've never used anything from African Pride. A good thing about these products is they were all $5 each, so this is a very affordable line. The products you will see me using are their pre-shampoo or pre-poo, which everyone has been raving about, so I'm gonna let y'all know if it is good or not. Also just went ahead and got the shampoo and the conditioner. Where is it at? Conditioner. Along with those two, I also got their heat activated mask. And then to style my hair, I used their leave-in cream and and their curling cream. So I used these products on this Braid Out, you guys. And I mean, if you could tell, it's looking a little defined and all that. So yeah, just keep watching so you can see how I feel about all these products, if I like them all or not. I didn't get their hair oil or their leave-in spray because I don't really use those. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing my review on the rest of these products, then just stay tuned. So I started off with this old low bun that I let get really dried out. So obviously I'm going to take this style down, and then I'm going to start working in my sections using African Pride's Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. And this is supposed to help minimize breakage. And I've been seeing so many people rave about this. So to start off, the product smells really good. The consistency kind of threw me off, like it felt kind of slimy. Reminded me of a custard, which was kind of weird, but it instantly did make my hair feel so soft. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I don't know, my tangles just disappeared, and it's like it just instantly defined my curls, which I really liked. And then the slip was so good, you guys. If you even noticed, I didn't have to use any water. I just applied this on dry hair, and the slip was amazing. I finger detangled my whole entire head, so each section was able to be detangled with my fingers. Didn't need a comb or anything. My fingers just glided right through. I wish I would have showed you, but I didn't get barely any shedding. So this stuff, I definitely feel like I will be using this every time I pre-poo my hair. So I let the pre-poo sit on for a little bit while I just kind of lounged around, and then I went on to the shampoo. I lightly rinsed, or lightly like wet my hair just so it was wet enough for my shampoo. But the honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo is supposed to hydrate and elongate your curls. It's sulfate free and it's color safe. Now, I had no complaints with this shampoo. I really liked it. It had everything I look for. Great lather. It was very, very moisturizing. Great slip as well. I could detangle my hair with my fingers if I wanted to. And it just left my hair feeling nice and clean. And it smelled really good too. The whole line smells really good. So definitely love the shampoo. Next, I went on to the honey chocolate and coconut oil Nourish and Restore conditioner, and this is supposed to help repair and replenish moisture to your curls. Now this was very, very softening. It made my hair feel very moisturized. The slip was very good as well. Finger detangled my whole entire head within like a minute or something, probably less than that. So definitely like the conditioner, and if the conditioner is like good, then I know that the mask will be great. So I did go ahead and use their mask next. Now I went on to the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. Y'all, I totally forgot that this was heat activated. You're supposed to cover up your hair, which I didn't, but yeah, whatever. I put this onto my hair and it was softening, but it was not as softening as I expected it to be. Like, I just expected it to exceed my expectations, just because typically most masks, I hate that word, do. But I don't know, like, don't get me wrong, it's not a bad product. I liked it, like my hair was soft, but it just didn't wow me. And I know you guys are probably gonna say because I didn't, cover up my hair. I don't know, that could be the reason, but personally, I would prefer the conditioner over this mask. So my hair did towel dry a little bit underneath my microfiber towel, like I typically do. And you guys know what I do when I style. I work in sections, spray my hair with my spray bottle of water, and then I detangle with my Tangle Teezer. So to start moisturizing, I used the Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. This is supposed to provide intense moisture and help repair your curls. And I really liked this. It was nice and moisturizing, and it definitely gave me super defined curls, which I wasn't expecting. So I really liked this. But to pair on top of my hair, I used the Moisturize and Defined Curling Cream. Now, the curling cream is supposed to shape, hydrate, and add shine to your curls. Honestly, I don't feel like it did anything different than the leave-in cream. I felt like they both did the same exact thing. They felt the same. I didn't notice anything different in my curls. So I personally would just pick up one or the other. The leave-in cream does come in a 15 ounce, so yeah. So I chose to do a braid out for my hairstyle, so I'm not gonna kind of walk you guys through this because you guys have seen me do braid outs a billion times, but I just braided my hair. I ended up doing, I think, how many braids did I do? 3, 6, I don't know, maybe 13 braids, I don't know. And then I just let it dry overnight. So I actually had somewhere to go that day, so I did sit under my dryer in the morning just to really make sure my hair was dry before I took it out. But yeah, when I took down my braid, I had super good definition, you guys. Like, literally, I already knew my hair was going to come out good. When I separated it, I noticed, or I felt that my hair was just super soft. So the curling cream, leave-in conditioner, they were just very softening to my hair. So went ahead, separated and fluffed like I normally do, and then these are the final results. So these are the final results of my braid out, you guys. My hair was super defined, it was fluffy and moisturized. It smelled good too, so I highly recommend you guys to try out these products. Like I said, they're only $5 each, so why not? I will put the product information down below where you can get them. If you've used this line, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.